Hello guys, this is Random Take. How are you guys? Let's see what you can get in level 15 in last war. So you can see that I'm currently at level 15. So yeah, I have 4.1 million power right here, and you can see I have drones, and uh, you can see I have 32 million food, 28 million iron, 3.9 million gold. I also have speed ups here, and I have like exp diamond stamina as well. I also have skill and hero's choice chest also I have. So yeah guys, when you progress to level 15 you can expect lot of thing here, then a lot of thing here uh, like like your power will gain, your powers, and other things will increase, and also if you want to level up, then you need to if you want to really real level up, then you can go to like you can reach level 17, so you can open that level 6 troops. That's gonna be really helpful guys, and let's see how fast can I reach level 17. So I will be keep updating you guys, and the most important thing to do is of course upgrading the headquarter until you reach level 20. So focus on that, just increase your headquarter until you reach level 20, and you can use the second builder as well. That's gonna cost you 500 diamonds. You don't need to worry about the time, because just like here I have used 500 diamonds to get level second, to get second tech. So even if the timer 2 hours timer stops, the progress will continue until your construction gets completed. So you don't have to worry about that. So yes, that's gonna be really helpful. So guys, use 500 diamonds to get the level tech, to get second tech. Also follow the uh, dual progress very carefully, like the radar training, and also day 2 we have like base expansion. Day 3 we have the age of science. Day 4 we have train heroes, and day 5 total mobilization, and day 6 is very important because you're gonna give your all in. So you gotta prepare for that enemy buster day. um, yes guys, that's all for today. Just comment me what you want to know more, because I cannot explain. I don't know what you want to know about this game. So just comment guys, so I can help you uh, get what you want to get guys. Because as you know, I have another account also, which I am in level 27, headquarter 27 already. So I have a lots of experience in this game. uh, yes, because I have over like 50 million power in that game. So I just created this account so I can explain you what you can get, what you need to do, what you can get, and what are the important things, what to buy, and what to expect when you level up uh, the headquarters. Yes guys, okay guys, see you next time, have a good day.